Ever found yourself searching for the app that you know you downloaded but can't seem to locate? Or maybe you are curious about app usage and want to see what you have downloaded so far. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to see your download history on Google Play Store. To see download history on Google Play Store, first open the Play Store and then tap on the profile picture at the top right of the screen. After that, tap on Manage Apps and Device. After that, tap on Manage again. Here, you will see all the installed apps on your device. If you want to see the apps that you have installed previously but now have uninstalled, just tap on Installed and then select Not Installed. And here you will see those apps that you have installed. Now, if you want to see the installed apps, here are the installed apps. And that's how you can see your Google Play app history. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me Hemant signing off.